For decades, ribosome has been presented as one of the great machines of biology, a molecular complex that translates genetic information into proteins. However, its origin remains one of life's deepest enigmas. Recent work suggests that ribosoma could have emerged as a molecular parasite integrated into the first cells. Before continuing, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and give like if you are liking this content. Your support is fundamental to continue creating more interesting videos on biology and science. The article, signed by researchers Michael Lynch and Andrew Ellington, suggests that ribosome was not born as a cooperative tool, but as an invader exploiting primitive protocells in a world dominated by RNA. This hypothesis changes our understanding of the origin of genetic translation. To understand this theory, we must go back more than 3.5 billion years to a stage where life depended almost exclusively on RNA. In this RNA world, molecules were able to store information and catalyze chemical reactions without the need for proteins. The modern ribosome, although complex and composed of proteins, retains a nucleus of RNA. This nucleus has been seen as a molecular fossil of a remote past, but its complexity raises the question of how it developed from a rudimentary RNA-based system. The hypothesis suggests that the first ribosome did not work as it does today, making proteins accurately. Instead, the high error rate in primitive replication and the small genomes of then make this model unpleasable. The protoribosome, according to the article, worked as a molecular parasite that exploited the resources of vulnerable protocells. This parasite may have begun forming rudimentary peptide bonds, exploiting an environment rich in nucleotides and amino acids. Over time, this parasite lost its autonomy, and the protocell became dependent on its products. Thus, what began as a conflict became a forced symbiosis, a crucial evolutionary transition. Modern biology offers examples of similar transitions, such as mitochondria that were incorporated by eukaryotes. Authors suggest that ribosome could be another product of the integration of an ancient invader, implying that cellular evolution has been marked by conflicts that led to cooperation. This model suggests that the evolution from the RNA world to one dominated by proteins was not a planned leap, but a contingent process of forced relationships that were refined over time. Natural selection favored improvements in the accuracy of the translation system. The proposal does not seek to offer a definitive answer, but to broaden the conceptual framework on the origin of translation. If correct, the ribosome would be a domesticated descendant of an ancient molecular invader, which redefines our understanding of conflict and cooperation in evolution.